in line of COVID-19 lockdown all over the world, I have made a few cooking videos. These cooking videos is using a very minimum equipment and easily available ingredient. So watch the video, try the food, keep safe and keep healthy. Okay, this time I will cook a black rice pudding, Balinese favorite dessert. The ingredient is very simple. Of course, the black rice, and then the white rice, and then the palm sugar, a pinch of salt, lemongrass, ginger, water, and coconut milk. That's it. Okay. Look, now the water already boiling. What you need to do is add a pinch of salt in there, and then turn it down a little bit. And then add about 150 gram black rice. That's about it. Okay. And then give a good stir. So you need to cook this black rice about 30 minutes. So because it's harder than the white rice, so it need to be cooked about 30 minutes, and after that we can add the white rice. Okay. So at the moment it still look like this. So we wait for 30 minutes. Okay, now it's already half cooked. So halfway there, look at that, look different. So a bit softer now. It's just time to add white rice dari atas, about 150 gram. That's it. And then keep stirring it so it won't stick at the bottom. Now it's time to add ginger, lemongrass, and palm sugar. All goes in. Okay? And then stirring occasionally just to stop the rice sticking to the bottom. That's it. And then if there is not enough water, so the water dried out, you need to add a bit more water until porridge consistency. If you look at this now, the water already receded, but the rice hasn't cooked yet. So in this case, you just add about 150 maybe more water. That's it. And keep stirring it occasionally until it's properly cooked. Okay. Okay, this is how it should look like when it's ready. Okay, what you have to do now, just serve them in a bowl like so, and we add coconut milk. Voila, that's your black rice pudding ready. That's it. Simple.